Hi, I'm Sam. When you first get into the world of investing, it can seem really overwhelming. Do you buy individual stocks? How much should you invest? And what if the stock market crashes? These are exactly the same questions I had too, when I started my investing journey. I began my journey by reading everything I could about saving and investing, and I make these videos to share what I've learned. The first piece of advice I took was from billionaire investor Warren Buffett, who recommends investing in an index tracker fund. An index tracker fund is an investment that aims to mirror the performance of a stock or bond market index, such as the FTSE 100 in the UK, or the S&P 500 in the US. Buffett has some great reasons for investing in a tracker fund. Firstly, you are buying into multiple companies, so spreading your investment risk. They aren't actively managed, so are low cost. You don't need any real investing knowledge, and Buffett also believes tracking an index beats funds that are actively managed. The S&P 500, for example, has a 7% annual average return, so despite any market dips, Buffett believes you will make money over the long term. Historically, this has been the case. If you are concerned about the stock market crashing, Buffett would say to invest regularly, so you naturally buy on the lows, as well as the highs. It is important, though, to remember to not invest all your money, and keep some spare for an emergency fund, as you never know when you may need it. Buffett would also say it's good to have some extra money saved, so if the stock market does crash, you have money ready to invest. Buffett calls this being greedy, when others are fearful, and investing when the market is down, is like getting a discount at a store. To recap, if you are beginning your investment journey, consider investing in a low-cost index tracker fund. Invest regularly to reduce the impact of market volatility. Keep some money set aside for an emergency fund, and top up your investment when the market is down. I hope you found this video useful. Remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.